This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Carlisle GM Nationals. This is a return of, first off, a legendary drag machine, but even before that, this was a prototype SCCA race car. 3 were made by Chevy. They were really playing games with it. Now, this car, of course, went through a race transition. That's why it's stripped out. You can see what goes on, but this is everything right here. This was the Fastback, the infamous Chevy Nova Fastback. This car originally had independent rear suspension. They put on the Fastback because they knew the Mustang was coming out and they wanted something special, and they wanted a road racer. The 3 cars were basically thrown away, and of course the drag racers picked up on them and went nuts. This one, of course, as you can see, is brand altered. The second one, which is still in existence, is also altered. They were talking about restoring this. I can see the original fender well there, and you cannot see very much of anything of the original suspension, which is really a shame, but it's really cool. You're never going to see anything like this, and rarely see even this car. That would have been pretty exciting if they did come through with this. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 GM Nationals at Carlisle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, remember, post and promote your shows. Support local and promote local. I'll see you at the shows.